Guess the Clone Wars episode using only 5 hints. Try and get it in the least hints possible. Hint 1. Obi-Wan is a main character in this episode. This means that he is among the lead characters throughout the episode. Hint 2. We do see a Sith in the episode. Whether major or minor, one does make an appearance. Hint 3. Ahsoka is never seen in the episode. Not only is she not a main character in this episode, but she is not seen once. Fourth, a bounty hunter does make an appearance. This means at least one, but could be more. And fifth, your final one, is the Jedi Temple is seen in this episode. This means both the outside and the inside are seen in this. I'll give you a second to think about it. This was Season 4, Episode 17, The Box.